Ladies and gentlemen, today we commence the display with the display by Light Combat Helicopters. We have now in front of you the Light Combat Helicopter. Though light in weight, this machine carries the punch of a heavy weight. The sleek platform LCH is designed to remain rock steady on straight lines with minimal vibrations, making it an ideal platform for weapon delivery, a fact amply proven during its extensive trials. This helicopter has discharged itself exemplarily, setting new benchmarks in all its trials and is now being produced in numbers. The display today is being performed for you by Wing Commander SP John and Group Captain Vinder Singh of HAL. Please notice the rapid pull-up and the unique ability of the rotor, as the pilot will bunt the helicopter under negative G to come to a hover far away from ground. As you can see, this flying machine has sufficient reserve of engine power and rotor thrust. The LCH now is diving sharply to gather momentum and come in front of us to demonstrate some sharp minimum radius turns. This beast of a combat machine is armed to its teeth with a stunning array of weapons: a chin-mounted gun, 68mm rockets, air-to-air missiles, anti-tank missiles. All of them make for a lethal combination. Equipped with the powerful Shakti engine, this is the only helicopter in the world that has demonstrated ability to take on targets at Siachen Glacier, world's highest battlefield. Here she is, coming right in front of you. This and is performing a sharp minimum radius turn. HAL has placed India among those very few countries that have capability to design, develop and produce dedicated combat helicopters. Combined with the single engine LUH, the old warhorse ALH through, with all its variant including the latest maritime variant, HAL has displayed complete mastery in the art and design of developing helicopters. HAL now has very few frontiers to be conquered. The heavyweight multi-role being one such niche, IMRH will plug that as well. Here she is, the LCH in front of us, will now perform some sideward movement parallel to the runway. The LCH is now moving rearwards to attain high speed made possible due to its unique hingeless rotor. Conventional helo cannot perform this maneuver as crisply and swiftly as LCH. And here she goes. The tail up, extreme tail up maneuver, demonstrating the razor sharp response and the control power available to the pilot. You now see the light combat helicopter positioning itself for some stall turns. This beauty, the LCH, surely teases as it goes away. Now look for its breathtaking steep climb, where the speed is bled off to zero and the beast turns with its tail rotor. This is an extremely difficult maneuver for most helicopter, but LCH does it with considerable ease. Ladies and gentlemen, this aircraft has the markings of a winner as it now pulls in front of us to perform its signature maneuver one more time, the sharp rudder turn, and this time to the left. The helicopter is designed with specific features to keep its maintainability and reliability optimized, which in turn would keep the operating costs low. Such reliance on such strategic machine is unequivocal for India's defense, and products like ALH, LCH and the new baby LUH are missions in this direction. With the development of IMRH, HAL will firmly entrench itself in the path of scripting yet another Atmanirbhar success story. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a warm round of applause as the LCH has finished its display and is now exiting. Thanks and Jai Hind.
Can we hear it loud for the LCH, ladies and gentlemen, once again? And from the LCH, we have to move to the spectacular entry of Surya Kiran's taking off. The first wing formation will be led by Surya Kiran 1, Group Captain Anup Singh, Vayu Sena Medal. On his right, you will be seeing Surya Kiran 2 with Wing Commander Udit Mehta. And on his left is Surya Kiran 3, Wing Commander Atul Yadav. Streaming right behind Wing 1 will be Surya Kiran 4, 5 and 6, that is Wing Commander Mayank Nautiyal, Squadron Leader Aman Salaria and Wing Commander Nikhil Bhatt. Following close will be second wing led by Surya Kiran 7, Squadron Leader Abhijit Singh. On his right will be number 8, Squadron Leader Navjot Singh, and to his left will be number 9, Wing Commander Ajay Dashrathi. Ladies and gentlemen, stand by for the takeoff by Surya Kiran's aerobatic display team.